Hi, Rise families. I'm Walimu, founder of Rise on Your Way Academy.
And I'm Mimi. I'm Mimi, the lab scientist.
We are so excited because it's almost Kwanzaa time. It is my favorite time of the year. And we are getting ready, getting set up for Kwanzaa. We wanted to make sure we go over some of the things that you will need for Kwanzaa. So, what are some of the elements of Kwanzaa? What are some of the parts of Kwanzaa that we need on the table here? This is the mazao. And what is the mazao? What are those things?
The fruit and the products, the food products.
Why do we have that? Why don't we have like fruits and nuts and things on the table?
Harvest.
To represent the harvest. So Kwanzaa is about celebrating all of the things that you benefited from the year and the fact that you applied all of the principles. So we have the mazao to represent the harvest and the blessings of this year. And were we blessed this year? Yes, our people were blessed this year. Even though it was a very difficult year for many, it still was a blessing that we're still here. So we have the harvest to represent that. What is this called?
The kanara.
The kanara. And what is the kanara?
The candle holder.
The candle holder. It holds the Mashuma Saba. Mashuma Saba are the 7 candles. And what do the 7 candles represent?
The red, black, and green.
Yes, they do represent red, black, and green. Red is for the
blood of our ancestors.
Black is for the
Skin of our ancestors.
the people, and green is for the
land.
The land. But the 7 represents what? What does that number 7 represent?
The
Nguzu Saba. So our first principle always starts in the middle, right, Amiri? This black candle represents our first principle. What's the first principle of Kwanzaa? Umoja, which means unity. So you always light the unity candle first. It goes in the middle and it represents our people, one people. That's why it's only one black candle, because we are one people. And then you light the candles each day. You start with Umoja and you light each principle starting from the outside red to the outside green and go in all the way every day until you get to the end and all 7 candles are lit. So the 7 candles represent the 7 principles, and those are the Nguzu Saba. If you purchase the Rise Kwanzaa kit, then you have this information, you have what they each represent, and you also would have one of these kanaras. Look at these amazing kanaras.
I think that one's my favorite.
This one's your favorite? This one's your favorite, the red, black, and green. That one has sold out already.
And this is the Eye of Horus.
The Eye of Horus. That one has sold out already. So the last one that we have is the handmade wooden kanara that we hand painted with the principles. What is what called? The kanara?
No. You know how that's called the Eye of Horus?
Oh, it's just the kanara. This one doesn't have. It's just the kanara. And I actually hand painted the symbols on this kanara so that you would know which symbol coincided with which candle. So you can have the kanara. You also have, what else do we have on the table? What are some of the things that we have on the table?
Gifts.
Gifts, zawadi. Zawadi represent gifts. And the thing about Kwanzaa, do you have like fancy material gifts for Kwanzaa?
No, you have handmade beautiful gifts.
Handmade beautiful gifts. So these are handmade gifts. I made for them with little felt bags. Yes, little fabric bags. And I painted Africa on them with one of the symbols, and inside are hand-carved wooden blocks with their names on them, inscribed on them. So these are handmade, thoughtful gifts that you have for Kwanzaa. You also have art that represents our beautiful culture. So this is actually a fertility doll from South Africa, but we think of it now as growth and increase.
Wait.
Yes.
We lived in South Africa?
No, this was a gift.
No.
This was a gift. This is Zawadi. This is a gift from someone, one of our elders in our community. And we also have books to represent the brilliance of our people. And this is what? What is this called?
The Kikombe Cha Umoja.
The Kikombe Cha Umoja, which is the unity cup. So in your Kwanzaa kit, you will receive the kanara, the Mashuma Saba, the African fabric for your table. So you always start the foundation with an African fabric. and you will receive a free gift that comes with this. So zawadi in the package. The only thing that you would need to add is your kikombe cha umoja, some zawadi, your mazawo, and anything that represents brilliance to you. No, the makeka, yes, I just said the makeka. So you'll need to add those things, but you will have the most important parts of the Kwanzaa table in your kit. Yes?
This looks like a wooden glass.
It is a wooden cup. It is a wooden cup. So make your Kwanzaa table your own. Notice that we also have pictures of ancestors because we invite their spirit to join us in the celebration. We have a picture of the Nguzu Saba. If you ordered the kit, then you have those symbols as well. So make sure you visit RaisingImhotep.com to get your kit while supplies last. We were already sold out of 2 sets of the Kwanzaa kit, so make sure you get this set before they're all gone. And we hope you join us for the Kwanzaa celebration this year, because if there's any time we need it, it's now. Yes?
Little known fact, Kwanzaa is celebrated a whole week if you didn't get that.
Yes, it's celebrated for 7 days to represent the 7 principles of Kwanzaa. When does it start?
It starts the day after Christmas.
The day after Christmas. It always starts December 26th and ends on January 1st. So we hope you join us this year. Make sure you get your Kwanzaa kit so you can join us. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.